Hi, first graders. So last month in March, we talked a lot about Dr. Seuss and his writing. We also had a readathon to celebrate his birthday that was in March. Now, the story I'm going to read for you today is called Wacky Wednesday. It is a story written by Dr. Seuss. Now, April 1st is what we call April Fool's Day, and it is a day to play tricks or to fool other people. So I thought this was a fitting book for April Fool's Day. This is Wacky Wednesday by Dr. Seuss. It all began with the shoe on the wall. A shoe on the wall? Shouldn't be there at all. Then I looked up and I said, "Oh man!" And that's how Wacky Wednesday began. I looked out the window and I said, "Gee, more things were wacky," and I saw three. So the hose is split. There's bananas in this tree. Can you find the third thing? I went down the hall and I said, "Hey, three more things were wacky today." So we have right here is the candy cane that's holding up the table. What else is strange about this picture? In the bathroom more, in the bathroom four. I began to dress, then I said, "Wow, four more things. We're wacky now." Look at all those shoes on the wall. I looked in the kitchen, I said, "By cracky, five more things are very wacky." Got the umbrella in the soup. You got a chunk taken out of the table. You have a mouse chasing a cat instead of a cat chasing a mouse. Things are definitely getting wacky. I was late for school. I started along and I saw that six more things were wrong. So this guy is driving and he's in the back seat. This lady is pushing a cat instead of a baby in a stroller. There's no door on this one. Lots of wacky, wacky things. And then seven more. So this house right here is missing a wall. All these people are walking the wrong way. The sun is green. And the Sutherland sisters, they looked wacky too. They said nothing is wacky around here but you. And so one of them doesn't have legs, and one of them doesn't have a neck. Looks pretty wacky to me. "But look," I yelled, "eight things are wrong here at school." "Nothing is wrong," they said. "Don't be a fool." So the flagpole is missing a little piece of the flag. Got something up here. School is spelled wrong. This says fur-cell instead of for-sale. There's a turtle in the tree. Lots of things are wacky. I ran into school. I yelled to Miss Bass, "Look, nine things are wacky right here in your class." So remember we learned about our presidents, and this is Abraham Lincoln, but the title or the caption of this picture says George Washington. And then this kid's pretty young, but this guy's pretty old, and he's sitting in class. Then the alphabet is written incorrectly. The teacher has rollerblades. This guy's facing backwards. This guy has no head. "Nothing is wacky here in my class. Get out! You're the wacky one. Out!" said Miss Bass. I went out the school door. Things were worse than before. I couldn't believe it. 10 wacky things more. Then I counted 11. Then 12 worse things. I got scared and I ran. I ran and knocked over Patrolman McGann. Look at all those babies. And this cow has no head. This baby's upside down. The cars are jumping off the rails. There's a door on the street. I'm sorry, Patrolman, that's all I could say. Don't be sorry, he smiled. It's that kind of day. But be glad Wacky Wednesday will soon go away. Only 20 things more will be wacky, he said. Just find them and then you can go back to bed. Can you find 20 things that are wacky? Wacky Wednesday was gone when I counted them all and even got rid of that shoe on the wall. The end. So I thought that was a fun book. It's kind of silly, but let me know on the Google form below. Write your name and the date, and then you can tell me if you liked this book, kind of liked this book, or did not like this book. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Bye.